Essential features to look for in a diesel generator monitoring system. Looking for a smart diesel generator monitoring system? We know how convenient it can be to have such a useful tool. So, we decided to help you find the right one for your generator. This presentation discusses key features one should look for when procuring such a monitoring system. Is it worth having such a tool? Having a smart diesel generator monitoring system can help you with the following things: prevention of unauthorized generator usage, optimization of its power output, prediction and prevention of operational issues, fuel usage tracking, etc. In short, procuring such a system will be a profitable deal for you. Key features to look for. Number 1, insightful dashboard. This feature is non-negotiable. A dashboard with clear graphical representations of vital metrics is a key feature of any monitoring system. Number 2, real-time data monitoring. The tool should be capable of providing real-time inputs about important parameters like voltage, current, temperature, oil pressure, fuel consumption rate, etc. Such inputs can help you diagnose and fix potential issues in your generator before they escalate. Number 3, remote access and control. Look for a monitoring system that enables you to control different aspects of your generator's operations from a distant location. This feature can be very useful in an emergency situation. Number 4, alerts and notifications. This is the most basic feature that a generator monitoring system can have. Look for a monitoring system with multi-channel notifications option, SMS, email, app alerts. Number 5, data security and privacy. Choose the one with robust security features. Otherwise, you'll lose control of your generator to a malicious actor. Number 6, maintenance and support. Look for a generator monitoring system that offers regular software updates, accessible customer service, technical support. To sum up, having a generator monitoring system can benefit you in many ways. Just make sure to procure one with the aforementioned critical features.